How do you not have a freezer? Hey, I wish I knew. It's unbelievable to me that I don't have a freezer with my fridge. And I'm going to show you my fridge here in a second. Like, you have to see it. When I came here to look at the apartment before I signed, I saw the fridge. I didn't open it. I mean, what kind of fridge does have a freezer? Sometimes people will have a fridge and a freezer and they'll have like an additional freezer, like a bigger freezer for storage. But even mini fridges have a freezer. Like they have that little section at the top or whatever. You can put ice cubes or whatever. Even that has a freezer and mine doesn't. So here, come on, I'm gonna show you. See, this is my fridge. It's a cool handle though, huh? Right? Yeah, look at that. There's no freezer in there. Where is the freezer? It's not down there. Not over here. Not over here. This is a single man's fridge, by the way. Look, I got some burgers, some fresh burgers from the store, and then cheese, buns, tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, hella energy drinks because Boom Priest is having a sale right now. And yeah, box wine, gotta love it. And I have a beer that I didn't finish. I don't drink that much actually, so I didn't finish this, but I liked it, but I didn't finish it. Yeah, but I know, right? There is nothing. That's all I got. I was gonna buy a freezer, but then, like, right after I moved in, right after my landlord was like, I want a long-term renter, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. I was like, yeah, I'm down. 2 months into me living here, his wife got accepted into a master's program in Tokyo. So he told me that he's selling the apartment. I'm like, oh, I have all these steps. I'm about to have 2 knee surgeries. I don't want to do it, but now I have to move. And so I just hope that my new place has a fridge with a freezer. But also, here in Norway, it like I've seen on Finn, and also when I was living in Båtsfjord, one of my colleagues moved, and there's apartments you can move into that don't have a stove or a fridge. And I did not know that was a thing. I mean, I'm American. I'm from America, and in America, and I know we're not in America now, but in America, if you any place you ever rent will come with a stove or a fridge. Even houses you buy will come with a stove for sure. 90% of the time they'll come with a fridge. If it's a new house, it could not come with a fridge so that you could buy your own fridge. But if you're buying a house that is not completely brand new, it's gonna come with a fridge. I mean, it's gonna come with a fridge. So especially if you're renting a place, for it to not come with a fridge and stove is like, whoa, I gotta rent a place and then buy my own stove and fridge. So then when I move, I own a stove and a fridge. Well, what happens when I move into a place that has one? Do I leave it in the, I don't know. I don't know. Norwegians, tell me what that's all about. I don't know anything about that. But yes, anyway, back to my fridge and freezer. Yeah, it's really weird. Oh my God, I didn't even show you. Okay, I want to show you. And then you can even see here, like if I try to buy frozen like blueberries or strawberries, I just have to put them in this because they're gonna thaw out. And then I just have to use them because they won't stay frozen. Oh, and hold on. You guys said I should take this out of the fridge. I'm going to keep one out of the fridge and keep one in the fridge. But anyway, that is my fridge. And that's... So I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek at my life.